Have you ever noticed how some houseplants suddenly become greener and healthier while others continue to struggle? The secret could be a simple natural ingredient already sitting in your home. Take 2 tablespoons of raw rice and grind them into a fine powder. Grinding the rice helps release its natural starch and beneficial nutrients, making them easier to mix with water and more available to the soil. Rice also helps feed beneficial soil microbes, which support stronger roots and healthier plant growth. Now add the fine rice powder to 1 liter of water and stir well for about 1 minute so it mixes evenly. Pour in 3 more liters of clean water and stir again. Since rice powder doesn't completely dissolve, strain the mixture through a fine cloth before using it. This creates a smooth solution that's suitable for both soil application and gentle leaf spraying. Pour a small amount around the base of each plant until the soil is lightly moist. This helps nourish the root zone, encourages stronger roots, and supports steady growth. You can also lightly mist the leaves to help wash away dust and keep the foliage looking fresh. Repeat this treatment once every 3 to 4 weeks, along with proper watering and enough sunlight. With regular care, your plants can reward you with healthier leaves and stronger overall growth. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening.